Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check RustDesk Server setup. So let's start. This is a documentation for RustDesk and I help you to check if your computer is good at RustDesk Server setup. So in this page I will check it, and you can check also many tutorials on YouTube. There are tutorials for installing the RustDesk, if you can check here. And well, what you have to require. The requirements are: the hardware requirements are low, the minimum configuration of basic cloud server is enough, and the CPU and memory requirements are minimal. So you can also use a Raspberry Pi or something similar. Regarding the network size, if the TC whole pushing direct connection fails, the delay traffic will be consumed. The traffic or delay connection is between 30K and 30 Ms depending on resolution settings and screen depth. The firewall, well, if you have installed the following commands, you can do it and install their methods. So the method one is Docker, it's the recommended. You can check the Docker page, and also the method dot is install your own service, a system service using a simple run install script, and you can check it there. And the method 3 is install your own server, a system service using dep file for Debian distros. So you can check one of these three methods and try to install it. As I told you, you can check also tutorials on YouTube for doing it. Well guys, I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.